Did you know you can customize how individual apps look on your iPhone 17 without affecting the rest of the system? If certain apps feel hard to read or visually uncomfortable, you can adjust their display settings independently. This feature lets you change text size, increase contrast, invert colors, reduce motion, and more, all on a per-app basis. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the General section, tap Per App Settings. You'll see an option labeled Add App under App Customization. Tap it, then select the app you want to customize. For this example, let's choose the App Store. Once added, tap App Store from the list to open its customization settings. Inside, you'll see several display and text size options. If you want bolder text, tap Bold Text and turn it on. To adjust text size, tap Larger Text, then drag the slider to increase or decrease the font size. If needed, you can tap Reset Font Size to default anytime. If you prefer clearer visual separation, tap Show Button Shapes to add borders around interactive elements. To improve visibility, turn on Reduce Transparency to increase contrast between foreground and background. You can also enable Increase Contrast or turn on Differentiate Without Color, which replaces color-based indicators with clearer visual alternatives. If supported, you can enable Prefer Horizontal Text for languages that normally display vertically. You can also turn on Smart Invert to reverse display colors within that specific app. To reduce motion effects, enable Reduce Motion. You can also manage options like autoplay animated images or video previews. There's even a setting to use a non-blinking cursor if you prefer a steady text indicator. You can repeat these same steps to customize other apps individually on your iPhone 17. And that's it. If this video helped you personalize your apps for better comfort and accessibility, give it a like and check out our other videos to discover more customization features you can use every day. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.